well, EP3 number 2. Now this one has been previously mapped, so we're going to see if we can improve on that. Maybe drop some dramatic flames out the back of it. Here we go. This is it now, take four.
Take 4, this is it. Right, there's been several interruptions during that for some reason. Right, let's start again. Black EP3.
Lovely black EP3.
Let's start with the mods. So it's got RBC inlet, it's got RBC VTC cam gear on the inlet side. It's got a 3-inch custom intake on it. It's got the Jackspeed 4-to-1 manifold. It's got the 70mm exhaust on it, and it's got a high pressure fuel rail. Don't think the fuel rail will make a difference to power, but it's listed on mods, so I'm going to say it. It was also previously mapped.
Yes, it was mapped previously, and it ran 236 brake.
Yeah. So in standard form, we felt that was fairly good power.
Looked good, fueling was good, everything was good.
Power, the fueling looked good, the power curve was good. We were honest with the customer and said, I don't think there's going to be a lot of improvement from there, and if you're happy with the car, then maybe it's just we charge for a power run with AFR and all that.
But he said no, get stuck in, lads.
Yeah, so he said get stuck in, see what you can do, which is fair enough. That's
he
fine.
wanted some flames as well.
Yeah, he wanted some flames. I'm going to be honest. At that point, I wanted to be honest and say there may not be a lot to be had, and you're spending your money for
because it was mapped. Because it was mapped.
Because it was already previously mapped and it's mapped well. Anyway, we managed to make some improvements across the board, which is nice. This car's leaving us with 243 brake, which is a surprise from where it was. I didn't expect to really make any power. I mean, that's only peak numbers. We have made power across the whole rev range, which is obviously nice. We've added the flames for the customer and launch control and bits and bobs that he wanted adding to it. So all in all, I do feel happier now that he's.
Yeah, I'm glad you did.
He's had something for his money. As
yeah,
such,
yeah,
you know what
absolutely,
I mean?
absolutely.
We're not here to, we're not here to pull people's pants down as such. We're not here just to take money. It's, I'd rather be honest with him and let him make a decision.
At the end of the day, we're enthusiasts and we love this, don't we?
Yeah, we love it, and we want to make sure the customer's always happy. I don't want him to pay his money for a map and then
Didn't really get anything.
Didn't really get anything or leave with no improvement. So it's great that it's made some power. We're really happy with that. I think it is possibly the most powerful EP3 we've had on this.
Made 206 at the wheels.
It did make 206
so
at
that's
the wheels.
fallen over.
Yeah, 206 at the wheels. I think that's the most wheel horsepower we've had with this level of mods. Admittedly, we have had more when they've had cams fitted and stuff, but without cams, which this I'm led to believe this hasn't got cams in it, so it's done really, really well. It's done probably the best on NA that we've had.
Yeah.
So, should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, come on, let's have a look at the graph. We got through that part of the video for the first time in like 5 attempts, so let's have a look. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and as you can see, we've made some power across the rev range there, and some at peak as well. Noticeable difference. We end on 243.1, I'm having that, brake horsepower, which is 206.8 at the wheels. Fantastic job done there. Yeah, it's going to be happy with that. I'm happy with that, so hopefully he is. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I feel like I'm struggling with this video today. I feel like I'm trying to get my words out. We keep getting interrupted, but but if you're still here watching this video, we appreciate it because we've been here a long time trying to make it. He's been Rich at Dynodaze because he always is, and we'll see you on the next video, won't we, mate?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.